Hi, my name is Connie Ovar, and I live here in Columbus, Ohio. And as I was considering what I would like to choose as a career profile, I started researching foster child care here in Ohio. And I came across a licensing agency, which is also known as St. Vincent's Family Services. And they have been around since 1875, and a nun group, or a group of nuns, formed them um, on the east side of Columbus, and they have since merged with a psychiatric hospital as well. And they also provide foster care. They also have an academy on campus, and they have many like community outreach type groups that they hold, and they just have a big presence in the community here in Columbus. Um, as far as a career contact, I reached out to St. Vincent's via phone and via email, and I was not able to get a hold of anybody or be able to ask for any words of wisdom from them. But their website was quite um, adequate with all the information that I needed. So the working environment at St. Vincent's is like varied. There's a lot of things you could be doing. They serve over 5,000 children and families a year. They do offer 24/7 support. But the position that I would be inquiring and working with would be a typical 5 day a week, 8 hour workday environment. Typical stressors, I think that anytime you work with um, children in crisis, it can be complicated and complex and demanding. I'm sure that there are many rules that I will have to learn, mandates, procedures that will need to be followed, and I think that that could be a stressor. There will be a large emotional component as well anytime that you work with children. Seeing families and children struggle can be difficult. Knowing that what I do can and will make a difference, I think will help with the stressors of the job. St. Vincent's lists a variety of benefits that they have available, including full health, full vision, full dental, paid time off, life insurance, 100% matching 501(k) program, tuition reimbursement, training opportunities, and student loan forgiveness. They also have a $2,500 sign on bonus if you get the job that I was looking at is called a prevention specialist job. And what I do or would do, it'd be providing learning opportunities and activities that promote social and emotional health. This includes alcohol and drug intervention activities for the students at the school, the youth, and other community members, including families. It does require a high school diploma, but a bachelor's degree is recommended, preferably one in social work or psychology or other related fields. They would also like you to have a prevention certification, which appears to be a local certificate from the state of Ohio that I would have to get. I would need a valid driver's license and also proof of insurance. The starting salary range was at 35,000, with experience salary range being 47,000. Um, there are a variety of jobs at St. Vincent's that could work with the degree that I'm working on. And so if this wasn't a good fit, it looks like there would be multiple opportunities for change and opportunities to find what works best for me. And you can find all of this information at svfsohio.org. Thank you.